we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The Boeing 757 was discontinued because the 737 family became too capable with the introduction of the ING models -7, -8, -9. The 737 family could do up to 90% of the 757 missions at a lower cost.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.